Hi, and welcome to MOCS Archive podcast. Today, science will meet everyday work life. I am Charulata Wankhede, and today we are talking about something small yet powerful: microbreaks. You have probably heard people say, take a break, you will feel better. But did you know microbreaks are actually a psychological concept studied and validated in workplace research? Let's explore where this idea came from and how a 5-minute break can truly recharge your brain. The idea of micro breaks first appeared in occupational psychology back in 1980s and 90s, where researchers were studying fatigue in repetitive jobs like assembly lines and computer works. Psychologists found that short pauses, sometimes even 30 seconds of stretching, could prevent muscle restraint, improve concentration, and lower stress. Over time, this concept evolved into what we now call micro breaks, short, intentional breaks lasting anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, designed to restore mental and physical energy. One of the key psychological theories behind micros breaks is the attention restoration theory by Rachel and Stephen Kaplan. It suggests that our attention works like a battery. It gets drained, and short pauses in a different environment help recharge it. There's also evidence from ultradian rhythm, natural cycle of about 90 minutes where our focus peaks and then dips. Pioneering sleep researcher Nathaniel Keltman explained that short rests during these dips help maintain long term performance. And recent studies backed this up. A paper from 2020, PLSF1, showed that micro breaks of just 2 minutes improved task performance and reduced fatigue. Another study in the Journal of Applied Psychology 2016 found that micro breaks increased positive emotions and motivation, especially in demanding jobs. So, what exactly should you do in a micro break? Researchers suggest activities that are restorative, not draining, like physical movement, stretching, walking, or posture resets during short breaks reduce physical strain. Second, visual breaks. The famous 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Third, mindful breathing. Just 5 breaths and you can lower cortisol level. Fourth, micro social breaks. A positive chat with a colleague quickly can boost mood. But here's the key: passive scrolling on social media, that doesn't count because it overloads your brain with new information instead of restoring it. Psychologists suggest that consistency matters more than duration. And here's how you can make microwave breaks work. First, Pomodoro method, invented by Francisco Cilerio in the late 1980s. It's basically time blocked work with scheduled micro breaks, like 25 minutes work with 5 minutes pause. Second, use environmental cues. Every time you send an email, stand up and stretch. Third, tech reminders. Apps and wearables can nudge you when you are been sitting for too long. And fourth, cultural shift. Research from Microsoft in 2001 found that teams have normalized breaks between meetings, had higher engagement and less stress. So instead of thinking of taking break is just wasting time, see them as performance enhancers backed by psychology. Here's the takeaway: micro breaks aren't just feel good pauses. They are grounded in psychological research from attention restoration to ultradian rhythms. And they have been showing to improve productivity, health, and mood. So, here's your challenge today. Try at least 3 intentional breaks of 2 to 5 minutes. Move, breathe, or simply rest your eyes. Notice how you and your energy shifts. Thanks for tuning in to MOCS Archive podcast. Until next time, pause smartly, recharge wisely, and let psychology work in your favor.